Welcome friends! In today's video, let's pull out our brush pens and try to paint a pond. I have my watercolor sketchbook, and onto my page I've applied masking tape around the four corners. So I'll start painting my pond from the top left corner. I'm just adding two colors of brush pens, a dark blue and dark green, and then I'm painting with my water brush on top of it. These brush pens are reactive to water and you get this watercolor look. It's just very simple, you're painting with water, but don't mix the colors too much. I'm adding more color as I go, and again I'm just giving these rough strokes. I want this to look very murky like water, and I've used a green, a yellow here. That's just going to be the top right corner, and the areas that you see that I'm painting around, those will be water lilies. This is a Monet inspired painting. I'm not going to be creating any artwork that's going to be that classic, but I just looked at it for inspiration to see how to paint the pond. So I'm continuing the same manner, three colors, blue, dark green, and a little bit of yellow. You want to make sure not to overmix. You want to see those blobs of color. You want to have many different shades. You can go back and add strokes if you want to with the water. The paintbrush will still retain some of the color, and just have fun giving movement to your painting. You want it to look and feel like water. Make sure you're always applying your brush pen to a dry part of the paper. Otherwise, let the color that you've applied dry before bringing in more color on top of it. Now I'm going to add color to the flowers. I'm adding some pinks and yellows, just mixing them roughly again. I want the pink and yellow to stand out separately. You don't want to blend them both to become a dirty color. If you want to add more color on top, just use a ceramic dish or any kind of slick surface, scribble your brush pen color onto it, and pick up the color from the dish. This way you have more control about how much color lands on the paper. Now to lighten our pond, I'm adding some white gouache onto my ceramic dish. So you want to take the white gouache, I'm picking it up with the same water brush, and start adding ripples of water effect onto the painting. I'm also using this white color to add flowers on top. I'll add thicker layers of paint to get the flowers. I'm mixing the paint, the gouache paint that is, with the pink color to get lighter pink colors. These look like lotuses. They're not precise. This is just a very abstract demonstration. But I like the way the softness of the gouache and the pink mixes together. Now you can go back and add more color and layer it if you want to, but I stopped at this and I peeled the masking tape to reveal my painting. I love the way the pond looks. The softness of the colors just makes me really happy. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this, and I'll see you guys soon with another video. Till then, happy crafting!